Aluminium recycling is crucial for saving energy and reducing environmental impact. However, when scrap aluminium is melted down, a byproduct called salt slag is often created. Slag is a mixture of salts, metal droplets, and oxides that forms during the melting process. Salt slag is considered hazardous waste because it reacts with water and can release harmful gases, so it must be carefully processed and cannot be simply landfilled. The RecAL Project is working to transform this waste into a new, valuable material for use in steelmaking, making both aluminium and steel production more circular and sustainable. The following footage documents a pilot-scale trial at Swerim's facility in Luleå, Sweden, testing the uses of salt slag from Stena Aluminium in the steel process. After being processed at Swerim Aluminium's facility to produce a pre-melted synthetic slag, this mix of salt slag, lime and dolomite was sent to this facility and added to raw steel, seen here in a large vessel called a ladle. The sealed ladle is carefully transported to the treatment station for final steel refinement. The lid is removed and the real work begins. Here, engineers and technicians from Swerim and Stena Aluminium can be seen observing the process parameters, ensuring that everything is running smoothly and safely. To check the progress, a probe is lowered into the furnace to collect a sample of the molten slag. This sampling step is important for quality control and to check the performance of the pre-melted slag being tested. Here's what the treated slag sample looks like. These samples are analyzed to make sure they meet quality and safety standards for use in steelmaking. After treatment, the ladle is removed from the station and the lid is closed again. The steel has now been processed. The treated ladle is then transported away from the station, where it is carefully poured out in preparation for the final step of the process, casting. By upcycling salt slag to a valuable product, this team is helping to reduce waste, recover materials, and make both aluminium and steel production greener and more efficient. This is just one part of the RecAL Project's mission to close the loop in Europe's metals industry.